Humanity was almost erased from Earth. Not once, not twice, but 10 times. And the craziest part, almost nobody knows these events even happened. Some lasted seconds. Some lasted millions of years. And one of them is still happening right now. Watch closely. These are the 10 moments when humans came terrifyingly close to disappearing forever. 10. The supervolcano that almost ended us. 74,000 years ago, the Toba volcano exploded with the force of 1 billion atomic bombs. It covered the sky in ash, blocked the sun, and reduced the human population to less than 3,000 people. One more eruption like this, and the human story would have ended before it even began. 9. The day the sun went silent. In 774 AD, the Earth was blasted by a mysterious cosmic radiation surge. No explosion, no warning. Just a sudden spike that left scientists stunned. If it were just a little stronger, our atmosphere could have collapsed, and the planet would have turned into a barren wasteland. 8. The asteroid that missed us by hours. A 1-kilometer asteroid big enough to erase continents zoomed past Earth in 1883. Astronomers only realized it 120 years later, after studying old records. If its orbit shifted by a few hours, you and I would not exist today. 7. The virus that almost broke evolution. Long before modern humans, a mysterious ancient virus swept across early human species. Some scientists believe it wiped out entire branches of our family tree, leaving only one type of human alive. If that one branch failed to survive, humanity would have vanished before it ever had a chance. 6. The global flood that actually happened. At the end of the last ice age, massive ice dams collapsed. Walls of water, taller than skyscrapers, rushed across continents. Ancient settlements disappeared overnight. If sea levels had risen just a bit faster, every early human population near coasts would have drowned. 5. The planet's first nuclear winter. Way before humans, Earth was hit by a chain of volcanic eruptions, so big, they triggered a global nuclear winter effect. The sun dimmed, temperatures dropped. Most life forms died. Humans didn't exist yet, but if we did, we would have been done for the solar superflare that would have fried Earth. The sun sometimes fires off massive superflares. One of them nearly hit Earth just 150 years ago. If it did, all electricity, satellites, and global systems would have collapsed instantly. Billions would not survive the aftermath. 3. The Siberian explosion nobody talks about. In 1908, a giant explosion in Siberia flattened 80 million trees. It released the energy of a massive nuclear bomb. If the blast had happened over any major city, human civilization might never have recovered. To the day, a single man prevented World War III. In 1983, early warning satellites falsely detected nuclear missiles heading toward Russia. One officer, Stanislav Petrov, disobeyed orders and refused to launch a counterattack. If he followed protocol, the world would have ended in nuclear fire within minutes. One man, one decision. 8 billion lives saved. 1. The ongoing threat nobody realizes right now. Earth is moving through a dangerous region of space, filled with debris, comets, and dark asteroids we still can't detect. Some are big enough to wipe out humanity instantly. And scientists say, it's not a matter of if. It's a matter of when. Humanity has survived the impossible, again and again. But our greatest threat might still be ahead of us. Comment below if you want part 2. 10 future events that could end humanity.